Picture a highly proactive office assistant, the kind who doesn't just wait around for you to ask for help, but actually anticipates what you need, organizes your files, and drafts your emails before you've even had your morning coffee. Well, in the world of Microsoft 365, that assistant is an agent. Agents are intelligent software tools powered by artificial intelligence designed specifically to help you work a whole lot more efficiently. They automate your routine tasks, answer complex questions, and provide highly personalized recommendations. For the AB 900 exam, understanding exactly what these agents are and how they operate is absolutely foundational. We've got 5 core areas to cover today. First, what are agents? Second, the 4 types of agents. Third, Copilot chat and its sources. Fourth, SharePoint agents and a practical case study. And finally, the tools for creating agents. Think of an agent like a highly specialized worker at a business process outsourcing company. If you train that worker on your company's specific product catalog, they can instantly draft detailed, accurate responses to customer questions, or automatically compile product specs for a big presentation. Technically speaking, agents in Microsoft 365 take AI a crucial step further. Instead of just passively assisting you, they actually work alongside you or even on your behalf. They use machine learning to adapt to your specific workflow, which frees you up to focus on higher-level tasks like building new customer relationships. Here's your AB 900 exam takeaway. That shift from providing basic assistance to actually acting on your behalf is what fundamentally defines an agent and boosts enterprise productivity. Let's look at the spectrum of what these agents can actually do. Imagine a logistics warehouse. Sometimes you just need a worker to glance at a clipboard and tell you exactly where a box is located. Other times you need an automated forklift that can dynamically plan its own route around the warehouse, physically move the box, and automatically escalate the issue if its path gets blocked. Agents operate on that exact same spectrum. On the simple end, they perform basic data retrieval, basically answering user questions based on a specific set of grounding data. In the middle, they can take action and automate multi-step workflows. And on the far advanced end, they operate completely autonomously, orchestrating other agents and dynamically planning tasks. Memorizing this spectrum from simple retrieval all the way to advanced autonomy is a must for your exam prep. Okay, Section 1. The 4 types of agents: pre-built, SharePoint, everyday, and advanced agents. Starting with pre-built agents. Think of these like buying clothes straight off the rack. You don't need to hire a tailor, you just pick your size and you can wear it immediately. Pre-built agents are created directly by Microsoft or a Microsoft-approved vendor. They are ready-made, completely standardized, and they integrate seamlessly into your workflows without requiring a single line of custom code. A great example is Microsoft's Prompt Coach, which helps users craft better prompts, or the Analyst Agent, which acts like a virtual data scientist using Python to crunch complex data sets. For the exam, just know that you can easily add these to your personal user library for immediate deployment, which drastically reduces development costs. Next up, we have ready-made SharePoint site agents. Imagine hiring a dedicated librarian who only works in one specific room of a massive library. They know every single word of every book in that specific room, but they know absolutely nothing about the books out in the hallway. When a new SharePoint site is created, Microsoft 365 Copilot can automatically generate a ready-made agent for it. But here is a highly testable AB 900 concept. This agent's scope is strictly limited to the content within that specific site. Plus, the agent is only generated if certain technical conditions are perfectly met, meaning the user has to have a valid Copilot license, the right permissions, and a properly configured environment. Our third category is the everyday user agent. Building one of these is a lot like setting up a smart home routine on your phone. You certainly don't need to be a software engineer to tell your living room lights to turn on at sunset, right? These agents are designed purely for simplicity, ease of use, and incredibly strict permission compliance. Everyday business users can build them right in SharePoint or Copilot chat using predefined templates or simple rules, totally code-free. Now, this is crucial for the exam. These everyday agents do not use advanced generative AI to create net new content or write code. They are intentionally limited to prioritize top-tier security and simplicity for non-technical staff.
Now contrast that everyday agent with our fourth category, advanced agents. If the everyday agent is a simple, smart home routine, an advanced agent is a custom-built, fully automated skyscraper corporate headquarters. These absolutely require programming skills. Developers build them using professional tools like Copilot Studio or Visual Studio Code to unlock highly complex, customized solutions. Advanced agents actually do utilize generative AI to process natural language and create entirely new content. They can also hook into over 1,000 pre-built and custom data connectors. So, for the AB 900 exam, remember this clear dividing line. Advanced agents require developers, they utilize generative AI, and they integrate complex custom connectors.
Section 2. Copilot Chat and Sources. This is how we power conversational AI with actual knowledge. Copilot Chat acts a lot like a highly efficient dispatcher at a 911 call center. When a request comes in, the dispatcher instantly routes it to the exact right specialized unit. In Copilot Chat, agents serve as those specialized, intelligent virtual assistants. They understand and respond to user inquiries in a totally natural, conversational way, providing support in real time, they automate responses, and they can even predict what a user might need next, based on the context of the chat. This synergy completely transforms team collaboration, making sure that critical enterprise info is both accessible and instantly actionable.
Think of an agent like a lead investigator. To build a rock-solid case, they can't just rely on a single file. They need to pull facts from multiple trusted sources. Agents draw their knowledge from 3 primary bases. First is web search, utilizing Bing to surface up-to-date public data. Second is SharePoint, securely tapping into internal company-approved documents and libraries. And third are Copilot connectors, which allow the agent to securely pull data from external third-party apps like Salesforce, Jira, or ServiceNow. This is a huge compliance topic for the AB 900 exam. Agents strictly respect all Microsoft 365 security boundaries and permissions across all 3 of these sources. A user will never see data they aren't explicitly authorized to access.
Moving on to Section 3, SharePoint Agents and Case Study. Discovering and applying knowledge. Every single day, roughly 2 billion documents are added to Microsoft 365 SharePoint and OneDrive. Finding what you need in all of that is like finding a needle in a haystack. So compare a SharePoint agent to an expert project manager who has instantly memorized every single piece of paper in a massive corporate filing cabinet. These agents facilitate content discovery, knowledge sharing, and complex workflows, but based strictly on the content sitting in SharePoint sites, pages, and selected files. They allow site owners, members, and visitors to instantly pull up and act on specific enterprise data without wasting hours searching for it. Let's walk through a practical case study straight from the Microsoft Learn material to see how this evolves in the real world. Imagine a sales manager at Contoso Camera who needs to write a pitch for a brand new camera, the Mega 300. In step 1, they prompt the ready-made agent sitting on the Mega 300 SharePoint site. But in step 2, they hit a wall. They realize a knowledge limit. The resulting pitch doesn't differentiate the new camera from the older Mega 200 model. Why? Because the ready-made agent only has access to that single Mega 300 site. So in step 3, the manager creates a custom agent and links it to 3 different SharePoint sites, the Mega 300 site, the older Mega 200 site, and the broader research and development site. Finally, in step 4, using this new custom multi-site agent, they generate a highly competitive, incredibly detailed sales pitch that aggregates data from across the enterprise. This perfectly illustrates exactly why and how you would step up from a basic ready-made agent to a custom one. Section 4. Let's look at the tools for creating agents. Copilot Studio versus the SharePoint Agent Tool. Our first tool is Copilot Studio. Think of it like a massive dual-mode workshop. On one side of the shop, you've got heavy machinery for professional engineers. That represents the full featured experience, where software developers build advanced agents using custom data connectors and generative AI. Now, on the other side of the shop, you have simple guided workstations for absolutely anyone to use. That's the light experience, allowing everyday business users to create customized Copilot chat agents using plain natural language without writing a single line of code. It is a unified platform serving both technical and non-technical creators. The second tool is the built-in agent tool in SharePoint. You can compare this to an on-site facility manager. This tool is built directly into SharePoint itself. Its main strength isn't general, wide-ranging conversation. Its superpower lies in optimizing SharePoint-specific workflows and automating tasks related directly to local site content. Everyday business users can use this built-in tool to spin up agents that provide document insights and make local content management a breeze without ever leaving their familiar SharePoint environment. So let's bring it all together for your exam with a side-by-side comparison. While the user interfaces for both of these tools might look pretty similar and they capture basically the same info, their real-world applications are distinct. Copilot Studio is your unified platform for building Copilot chat agents, offering both that developer and light mode. The agent tool in SharePoint, however, is built specifically to optimize local site content workflows. Keep this in mind. Copilot Studio lets users enable specific conversational chat features that simply do not apply to SharePoint site agents. Understanding the line between a conversational chat agent and a document-focused SharePoint site agent is absolutely key to mastering this fundamental concept. With all of this in mind, how will you apply these different types of agents to completely transform your own organization's workflows?